Hi friends, good evening. How are you doing? So today I'm going to review my new cycle which I bought, which is called as Siamz. So this is actually a local brand only. Okay, as you see. So I actually purchased from a Delhi dealer. So it is not much popular one, but I was looking for a basic one with all the features like gears, disc brake and all. So I went for this because this is my first cycle I wanted to use for city driving. So that's the reason I just wanted to go for a basic one with the good economics in terms of pricing. So to start, this is a 29-inch cycle, okay, and MTB, mountain terrain brake. And so what all features it has? It has 21 gears, 7 gears in the back and 3 in the front, and it has front and rear disc brake. Okay. And seat adjustment is available, and they given a bottle holder, and it comes with a disc brake, and that's all. Okay, so this is actually a black and orange color, as you see, and the reflector and other things what you see on the cycle, it's all like purchased extra. So I can share the link, you guys can use it. So it's a nice overall bicycle, and okay, and this comes with front and rear bumpers also. So I have fitted front, but I have not fitted the rear bumpers, rear mudguard, sorry. Front mudguard is been fitted, but no rear mudguard, it's I not fitted. And now I'm showing you the gear. So this is actually the front gear. This comes with a thumb shifter and a finger shifter mode. What I came to know is this I bought it around, I paid around 8.5 to 9,000 rupees plus 1,000 rupees shipping. I paid it. It came in almost 90% assembly mode. And then later I came to know, friends, is this is actually the gears. What you see, it's not a original gears from Shimano. So it's a copy, but it's doing its duty overall, because as I told you, this is my first gear bicycle, and I was not looking for an original or an very high-end branded and all. So I was okay to compromise on few things. As you see, my the gear shifts are a bit harder, but for me, I'm not feeling, because after it's almost 2.5-3 months now, and I did one servicing also with the local service cycle workshop. So now it's working smooth, and because it came in 85-90% assembly mode, I only did the assembly at home. So it was again, it was a new thing. I took some time. So friends, overall, if you ask me, this is, I can say overall, after 3 months of ride, 29-inch one for the price what I bought. For me, it's an 3.5 stars out of 5. I can give that rating because it has front and rear gears, good looks, overall comfortable, and comes with stand, bottle holders, and I think overall value for the money. But if you're looking for an original gears, maybe a branded like Hero or Cross, so maybe you can look into that. But for this kind of features, I think you should maybe have to pay around 18 to 20,000. Maybe if you are buying for a first time, what I suggest is you can use it, run it, enjoy the cycle riding. because I am actually doing now around um 10 to 15 kilometers once in 3 days, and at least 8 kilometers I'll drive for a day. You can try, friends. So for the price and value, so you can look into this, or if you're comfortable, you can go for a brand. Subscribe my channel and support. Thank you.